Right, I beavered the refrigerator because every time I organize it, it gets unorganized. So we have butter, spot for eggs. Only milk and almond milk go there. And we have our condiments. Syrup and jelly. And then our nut butters. And then our ridiculous amount of dressings. Which there are even more up there. And our sauces. And right now I have water. And our veggies. Perfect spot for eggs right there. Leftovers and our milk. Our little yogurt up there with our cottage cheese or other dairies, I guess. Some spillover space. More spillover space. So please, at least sort of keep it organized.
Yes, 3 of these. I just ate one of those. So, yes.